Hello and welcome. I hope this video finds you in good health, especially amidst this COVID-19 outbreak. So, by now, there has been an n number of information about this disease and equally n number of myth. Here, I'm not going to talk about how it impacts our body, how it spreads, and the preventive measures, etc. etc. But it's more about the social distancing or isolation or home quarantine and some more. So, the social distancing is the term for preventing or minimizing the chances of you catching the COVID-19 infection. It simply means to lock down yourself into your home and no gathering. Quite an easy term to understand, but difficult enough to follow, huh? Imagine yourself going to your workplace, meeting your colleagues, getting paid. That's normalcy, right? In this normalcy, there lies an untold irritation and monotony. Didn't get yet? Let's zoom into the normal life. That's before the corona outbreak. In the workplace, almost on a daily basis, many of us face bullying or harassment either by our colleagues or seniors, even in the educational institutions as well. Because the places change. We keep changing the buildings from schools to colleges to offices, but our character remains quite the same, right? In the past 3 weeks, India has seen an increasing number of COVID positive cases, and equally it is seeing the outgrowing number of myths, especially the viral WhatsApp messages, reinforcing the panic in people's mind, and some irresponsible acts. For example, the running away of COVID-19 positive patients from hospitals in various states, and also one of the girl in isolation committing suicide. So this video is my smallest attempt to reassure you and to extend my sympathy to you with the strongest possible message to tell all of you, please don't give in to depression or frustration or end up your life. If you are watching this or listening to this and healthy at home, please make peace with yourself. Take this as an opportunity to build yourself stronger and wiser. Let this be a time for you to reinvent and renovate yourself. There are a few things I can suggest, or maybe you know. Just to tell you, one thing you can do is number one, just go back in time to your best of moments, the old photographs, make a beautiful collage, write the best of captions. Later you can gift it to someone. Or read the best of books. Some are available as free PDFs. Books are best of tools to keep you away from reality. Now, as you read the story, stop for a few moments and speak for a while with the favorite character of yours from the story. Write your conversation and create your own story. Quite interesting, huh? Not a reader? Okay, permit yourself to sink completely into your hobbies. It can be cooking, knitting, nail art, anything you love and anything that's possible, limiting yourself into the boundaries of your home. Or you can watch your favorite movies if you have. Movies are magic after all. They've got the real power to make us angry on a villain who's actually not, and make us cry for people who don't even exist. You've got me right. If you still feel depressed or frustrated, because it's completely normal to feel such in a situation like this, and we don't always feel the same, so it's quite normal. Now, make a list mentioning people you are thankful to. Take a photo and post on social media. Let your positive attitude spread to many others as well. Done with the above? Make another list of things you are going to do once our human race combat the current situation. Quite a long list, huh? Now, this thing I think all of you would love to do. Write your experience of this deadlock situation. Write at least a few lines each day. Let it remain an experience of lifetime, how we all pass the test of time with flying colors. Lastly, I want to share with you a fact. I grew up learning we shouldn't compare ourselves to one another. But as I've grown up as an individual, I've genuinely learned it better. It's rather we should learn when to compare ourselves with one another. Imagine, in a densely populated country like ours, millions of unfortunate people who do not have a proper shelter. They manage to live somehow in slums, and many are homeless. If you are lucky to have a proper shelter, feel yourself lucky and thank God because you can take the preventive measure of social distancing or home quarantine because you have a home. Do you feel better? Okay, and a word of caution. Talk to your family members about the prevention but not the panic. Break the myth and stay safe. Thank you.